This is ASPure Maths Notes. We are on Unit 8 Trigonometry and we are solving trig equations. So this one's 6 cos squared x minus sin x equals 5, and that's between minus 180 and 180. Our problem here was we have a cos and we have a sine, so we need to do some sort of rearranging then to get that. Now if we take a wee look at our trig identities, we know that sine squared plus cos squared equals 1. So if I do a little bit of rearranging, I know then cos squared is 1 minus sine squared x. So I can exchange my cos squared here for a 1 minus sine squared x. Now I'm going to do this nice and slowly so we can see what's going on. So it's going to be 6 upon 1 minus sine squared x minus sine x equals 5. Rearranging that then is 6 minus 6 sine squared x minus sine x minus 5 equals 0. And then I would take everything over to the other side, or if you want, multiply through by minus 1, because I want a positive sine squared term, so it's going to be 6 sine squared x plus sine x, and we have 6 take away 5, that gives me a 1, taken over the other side then as a minus 1 equals 0. Now this question looks very like our previous example, and so we're going to let y equal to sine x. So that's then going to give me 6 y squared plus y plus 1 equals 0. And then I'm going to factorize that and do it then at the top of the next page. So factorizing that gives me 3y minus 1 all over 2y plus 1 equals 0. That means 3y minus 1 equals 0, or 2y plus 1 equals 0. That gives me y equals a third, or it gives me y then is minus a half. I can change it back now, so that means I have sine x is a third, or sine x, right? My basic angle for each of those, x is sine to the minus 1 of a third, which gives me, let me see, I think it's 19.47. And for my other one, I should have done that below. Again, ignoring the negative, and we have x is 30 degrees. So if I do my, I guess I'll do two tiny wee cast diagrams down here. There's not a whole lot of space in these. I'd probably like a little bit more space, but that's okay. Zero, 90, 180, 270. Oh, we're doing it the other way around, aren't we? It's between 0 and 180. 0. So it'll be minus 90 minus 180. 0, 90, 180 minus 90 minus 180. So I have my 19.47, and again I want the positive values for those. So my two angles there are x are 19.47 and 180 take away 19.47, which I think is 161. The three significant figures. For this one here, I want where sine is negative, and so I want this one here and this one here, and so then that would be -30 degrees and -150 degrees. And those are my 4 solutions for that particular one.